My name is Danny Garcia. I'm a defense attorney based in Arizona. Our firm takes cases nationwide. As a former prosecutor and current defense attorney, I've had the unique experience of both being the person who brings charges against people in our society and also defends those people against the same crimes. What I didn't realize as a prosecutor is the enormous impact each charge has on an individual defendant. And what I've learned as a defense attorney is the other half and what impact that has on individuals' lives and families, their ability to maintain a job, their ability to provide for their families. And because I have this unique experience, I'm in a better position to help you, is because I understand what the prosecutors are thinking. I understand what appeals to them in trying to resolve or negotiate a case. And it also allows me a broader perspective on how the entire justice system actually impacts people. And it's ultimately why I continue to do this work as a defense attorney and why I want to help you, is because I know that when your loved one is charged with a crime, whether that be a misdemeanor or a felony, that it is oftentimes the worst thing that's happened in your life ever, or the worst thing that's happening right now. And it becomes all consuming. And because of that, you need someone who is going to take care of you, advocate for you, but also kind of hold your hand along the way, let you know that is going to be okay, and that plenty of people have been through this experience before, and it doesn't all have to end badly. In fact, there oftentimes is a positive outcome that can come from it. It could end in a dismissal. It could end in something that you're willing to accept, or all parties are willing to accept, or it could end up at a trial where you need someone to do a very good job who has significant trial experience. If I was in your shoes thinking about who I needed to hire, I would first ask, what is their experience? Do they have the trials experience? A lot of attorneys out there may advertise and want your business, but they've never actually done the trial work that you need. If it's a federal case, you need a person who's actually done a federal jury trial like myself. If it's a serious felony, you need someone who's actually tried serious felony cases. And if it's a misdemeanor, well, I've handled probably thousands of those at this point between being a prosecutor and a defense attorney. But apart from that, from the experience that is just the basic requisite, you need an experienced attorney. You need somebody you can get along with, because you may be spending a lot of time with them. And if you're not comfortable with them from the beginning, if you talk to them and you feel like they're talking down to you, like that they're never speaking at your level, they're always talking above you, it's going to be hard to communicate with them. And sometimes you might not even know the right questions to ask, because some of the things they're saying are confusing and they're not speaking to you in a way that you can understand. What I'm confident is that I am always able to talk to my clients and understand their position and communicate to them in a way that they understand. And because of that, we have good relationships. And I'm confident that I can provide that same service to you. I'd ask you to contact me today so we can sit down and talk about your case and see if I can help you. If you can call 602-755-5555, we'll be able to do that today.